Hello everyone. Welcome again and let's begin another topic in Node.js modules. So what is module? Let's suppose you're writing a code. Now the code size is increased more than 1000 line of code, more than 2000 line of code. So how do I divide my code in the files? So the way is module. So you can divide your code in a structured way through the module. So it doesn't mean you're writing a code in 50 lines in one file and another 50 lines in another file. So that depends on the business logic and the related code. So related code you can put in one module and another related code you can put in another module. Suppose you have a customer module and you have a product module. So make it a code of all code you should write in the customer module related to customer. All the code related to product you should write in product module. So it's there how you can uh, divide your code in several files, that is called as modules. So let's begin how to write a code with the help of module. So let's create a file module a.js, and here I am writing a function hello console.log hello. Now I want to make it as a module, so let's use keyword module and dot hello dot sorry, so first we need to use the exports keyword, exports dot hello equal to hello. So this is representing the module and this one is representing the method which we want to export. Save it. Now let's create another module, module B. In a module B I want to utilize the module A method. So here I can write a variable hello. I want to utilize the module hello and use the required keyword to importing that module, because all files are in the root file. So use dot slash module A, and now I want to access the method. Let's make this a module A, and now I want to access the method of module A dot hello. Now let's run module b.js. Now you are getting the hello as output. Let's write another method in a module A, function by console.log by. Now I want to utilize this method again. So again you need to export module dot exports dot by equal to by. Now you can call this method by also from module A reference which we have, because we have imported that module A. So all the methods are should be accessible. So now first one is hello and now bye bye. Now that's how you can create a modules and you can write a functionalities on the module and you can access in the other module with the help of required keyword. So thanks for watching the video, and we'll continue to give the tutorial in new Node.js, and Node.js we are going to continue with the other concepts in the next